Hey everyone, and welcome to the Webtogs gear review. So today we're going to be taking a look at the Webtogs Fanorak. So this is a great little lightweight quarter zip, or sorry, should I say half zip jacket. Something just to throw on if you're doing some low level walking, or just chilling by the beach and the heavens open, or you just want to protect your core from that wind chill. This is definitely something to consider. Anyway, let's take a closer look, let's talk about the key features of the jacket. So it has dry vent membrane or dry vent waterproofing on there. So that's going to keep you nice and dry, and it's also going to help with the breathability of the jacket itself. The only thing you will need to do is just use some reproofer now and again just to top that up. One, to help increase the waterproofness, but also as well to flush out any microbes or dirt that have gone into the membrane. That's going to reduce the breathability. So washing it and then reproofing it just to help maintain that membrane. It also is made from recycled polyester, which is fantastic. More companies around this world needs to start using recyclable materials. So this is made from recyclable materials. So nice work, North Face, for doing that. And also as well, the fit, because it's a half zip jacket, it is a relaxed fit. Like I say, it's great just to throw on over your jumper, your hoodie, or whatever if the heavens do open. Anyway, key features. Let's take a closer look. So like I said, it's a half zip. So nice ease glide zip, and that opens up to the main section, or the main section of the jacket, which means because it's nice and long, or wide should I say, it's going to be easy to get over your head. You've got a storm flap underneath that zip as well, so that's going to stop any wind or rain interfering with your core body temperature, because it is an exposed zip, but the storm flap's going to stop anything interfering with your core body temperature. And then just to quickly show you on the inside here, you've got your traditional mesh lining. So what that means is your body isn't up close and touching the waterproof membrane. It's got this mesh boundary should I say, which then enables nice circulation, keeping you nice and cool, or keeping you nice and warm depending on the weather. Let's zip that up. Again, nice easy glide zip. Hood itself has got a nice peak to it. There is some reinforced like bungee on the inside there. I'm guessing that's just to help with the overall shape. And then that links in nicely with the toggle system. So the toggle system at the back here, this is how you adjust it. So there's no adjustments on the side or on the collars of the jacket. It's all done via this back adjustment. So by pulling that in, that's going to help contour, and that's going to shape the hood of the jacket. Which again, working with that nice peak, again, it's not a rigid peak, but pulling that in, that's going to help with your peripheral vision. So let's take a look at the main jacket itself. So first pocket you have is actually in the front here. So if you open that up, and what you'll also notice as well is that the zip itself is double zipped. So this acts as a joey pocket, which is absolutely massive. It's pretty massive. Pretty massive pocket for storage. But what that also means is when you're not using the jacket, you stow it away in this pocket, zip it up, and then hey presto. So yeah, for storage that's really, really cool. But again, for an additional pocket, that's pretty cool to have. And then you have two traditional hip pockets, which again, oh no, you don't. Sorry, I say two. Of course, Sean, this is a joey pouch. So this entire front section is one big pocket, like your traditional joey style hoodies and stuff like that, with the addition of obviously the pocket on the front there, which is also the stowaway bag. So depending on how much you put in this pocket behind it, or in this pocket on the front here, the stow bag on the front there will determine how much space you have. But yeah, really simple design, and it does exactly what it says on the tin. You have slight elastication on the bottom of the jacket, so that's going to hug around your hips, giving you a nice close fit. But like I said, it's a relaxed fit. It's not designed to really jam in. It's just going to help protect the elements, from going up and interfering with your core body temperature. And then just quickly on the sleeve, there's no Velcro or anything on there. Again, it's very relaxed, should I say. It's a really relaxed design. It's literally something just to throw on, but you do have light elastication there as well. So on the cuff, so when you put your hand in there, it's just going to secure nicely around your wrist and going to stop any outside elements going up your arm and interfering with your core body temperature. And then I'll just show you briefly on the back there. It's just one big open panel, and that's what I really do like about this jacket. The minimal stitching that this jacket has is really, really cool. If you could get a jacket with the less stitching, the better. That just means that there's the pressure points of the jacket or any splits that you potentially might get are reduced. So yeah, the fact that this doesn't have that much stitching on there is really, really cool. So who is this jacket for? It is literally perfect for someone who, if you're doing a bit of surfing, you're just doing some general lightweight adventuring, but you're not doing anything too, drastic or expedition-y, if that's the right word. You just want something that can live in your bag when the heavens open. Pop it on over your head, zip it up. You know it's going to keep you dry due to the dry vent technology, but it's also nice and comfortable due to the relaxed fit. This is definitely something to consider. Perfect for your low level, your coastal walking, maybe even your mid-level. I mean, I wouldn't go too fast to say walk up mountains with this, but again, it's down to personal preferences, what you personally like at the end of the day, which is really, really cool. So yeah, something where it's just relaxing, even walking around the town. You just want an anorak or a fanorak, should I say? That was terrible, Sean. Just something to put on if the heavens do open whilst, by the sea, or you're doing a bit of shopping or whatever. And again, it stows away nicely in itself. So when you don't need it, you can pop it in there and then pop it in your rucksack or, on your shelf for storage. Yeah, this is really, really cool. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about the Fanorak, just head over to our website, webtogs.com, or click on the link that is pinned in the comments below, and you'll find out more information over there. What you'll notice, or if you go over to our website, what you'll notice is that we're doing a really cool initiative at the moment, which is place an order, plant a tree. So for every order that is placed on our website, we're going to be planting a tree for future generations, which is awesome. But what a lot of people don't realize is that our warehouse is super carbon and eco-friendly. As of recording, we've got our carbon emissions down by 93.5%, which is fantastic. But with the plant a tree, or place an order, plant a tree initiative, and our low carbon emission does something rather special. So the one order that is placed for our website that plants a tree, that tree actually wipes out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders, which is just awesome. And not a lot of companies can say that, and we guarantee it because it works. We've run the figures, which is fantastic. So yes, you, by placing an order through us, yes, we plant a tree for future generations, but that one tree will wipe out the carbon emissions of 3 other Webtog orders, which is fantastic, which we need more of in this world. Anyway, if you want to find out more information about that, again, it's all going to be linked in the comments below. I'm going to stop waffling on now. I'm going to leave you there. Thanks for watching, and happy trails.